I absolutely agree with my senior and colleague, Yusuf Husseini, when the expose he has given on the decision of the Supreme Court. In fact, that decision has left many, many lawyers confused as to what is the law now, because like you said, there must always be clarity on decisions, and there should be some level of predictability to know how cases go. And the Supreme Court is the apex court that always gives direction when it comes to issues like this. But before I even come to the Supreme Court decision, you have asked a question, and I want to deal with that. You see, after the decision in the High Court, Cape Coast, it was at the High Court that when the issue of Article 94(2)A came up, we requested that particular provision has never been interpreted by the Supreme Court. And so we think that issue lends itself or seeks interpretation, and we made an application for that. At that level, Mr. Nimfa, who is the plaintiff in that case, through his lawyer, Frank Davis and Co., opposed our position that particular position does not need any interpretation. But we insisted that it is only the Article 94(1)A, which was interpreted by the Supreme Court in the Zenato case. But in 2A has never been interpreted. So when the High Court decided to overrule us and continue to give the judgment based on the same article, we decided to go. We went to the appeals court, and you see, there are still people who still think that decision has not been appealed. Yes, we appealed it, and the appeals court, strike it out for non-compliance of some directives. But on the 29th of March, we have filed an application to relist the case, the appeal. So as we talk to you now, what is before the appeals court is to relist the same appeal, which we have done, which we have filed. And also filed...
And that is before the apex court?
No, that is before the appeals court.
The appeals court, right.
And we have also filed for a stay to ensure that our relistment is heard, application is heard, and then we can go on with it. So that is before the appeals court. So when it goes to appeals court now, we have our application for relistment in before the appeals court.